Greetings everybody, welcome to our Rapid Income Generator, or RIG just for short. My name's Eric and I'm going to be your presenter. Our subject is creating freedom and we're going to be using the income generator to do this. It's got to be the easiest way ever. We're going to show you how to accelerate your income within a few weeks by using our RIG. Our mission will be to create massive income expansion for you by using your phone, for all those who want it of course. RIG is a unique system. It's got comprehensive training. Our training will rapidly get you to your income destination. Now all you have to do is set your income goal and RIG will get you there quickly. Now it's a fact, RIG does 99% of the work for you. You'll see that through the slides. This slide shows the Rapid Income Generator in action with a small target being set for the people who are using it. RIG will work with many companies and many products. Now if you're invited to use our system, we set you a small target. Now in this part of the example, your target would be to get 2 customers in under 1 week. We keep the target small so that everybody can do it. Now if everybody does it, that is duplication. That's what we expect for people who use RIG. Just duplicate what we're doing. Okay, now let's look at what happens using our system. Here's you. You go out and get 2 customers and you do that in under a week. So you've got 2 customers in the first week. At this stage, we're not mentioning the company and we're not mentioning the products. They are good companies and they are good products. Now more importantly, we can make money out of them. So let's run through what happens. Week 1, you go out and get 2 customers. That's shown in the diagram above. The next week, those 2 customers will go out and get 2 customers each. That gives you 4 new customers. The following week, those 4 customers get 2 customers each. That gives you 8 new customers. Then you've got 16 new customers. Then you've got 32 new customers. Then 64 new customers. Then 128 new customers. And then 256 new customers. Each week it's new customers. A little exercise for you. Now pause the video just for a minute and add up all the customers. Apart from yourself, add up all the customers. You should find that there's 510. That's massive exponential growth. So after 8 weeks, we'll end up with 510 just using this simple model. Let me ask you a question. How would you like to be paid every time 510 people spent something with the company? Yes. Every time they spend, you'll get paid. Providing you're qualified, you're going to get paid on 510 people. But there's much more. Now, doesn't that make sense to be in the line? If you're in the line, then you're going to benefit from massive exponential growth. Being in the line, the leverage is absolutely huge. Look at the leverage produced by RIG. In this example, you're going to get paid on 510 people. You only added 2. You're doing less than 1% of the work. RIG will be doing 99% of the work for you. I have a super simple question for you. If you're in RIG, 99% of the work is done. If you're outside, you have to do 100% yourself. Where would you rather be, inside or outside? Now what happens after 8 weeks? Does the line suddenly stop? Your answer should be no, it continues. So how cool is that? The line's going to be expanding, and if you're inside the line, you're going to get paid every time somebody spends within that expansion. Now just look at what we're creating. Think for a minute the difference between linear or exponential income, and you tell me which one you'd prefer. Linear income is this red line here. It's a steady little increase over time. We're creating exponential income. That's on this blue line here. It starts off small, but it rapidly increases and eventually it'll overtake the linear income that you're on. We're looking at the crossover point. Now if you join us on RIG and you implement what we're doing, it could be between 4 and 5 weeks for the majority of people. This slide is another way of demonstrating how powerful our system is. I'm going to give you a little exercise. You take 1 penny and double it every day for 31 days. Do it as a little exercise. You should find that after 31 days you've got over £10 million. 1 penny doubled every day for 31 days. Now once you understand that, it's going to open up huge possibilities for you. I want you to play with some numbers. Now instead of doing 2 customers in a week, let's extend it to 3 customers in the first week. That's all. We're just extending to 3 customers in the first week. Now look at the numbers. 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, 729, 2187, and finally 6561. Okay, now if we add up all the customers, that comes to 9840. That's after about 8 weeks. Now that is massive, massive explosive growth. Now everybody, without exception, benefits from all that join after them. So if you take the first 100 just as an example, that first 100 are going to have over 9,000 people contributing to their business volume. Now that's massive. Everybody should be rushing to join. Here's you in the line, and you've made a start. Supposing you created a position for a family member. Let's call it position B. So here we are. Position B is one of your family members. Now let's assume also that B is too busy to do anything for a bit. So B is inactive for a bit, but he's still gaining in value. So he's collecting on the business volume from everybody. So after about 8 weeks, he'll be collecting on the business volume for about 9,000 people. Would that be a good position to be in? B is what I call a sleeper. At the moment he's asleep, but sometime in the future he'll wake up and then he can profit from the business position. Okay, you should be getting the picture now. The main advantage is to be in the line, collecting the business volume from other people in the line. So if you're in the line, you collect the business volume from everybody who joins after you. So it's important to be in it. And the way to do that is become a customer. We're going to apply the system to ISAGENIX. That's a fantastic company that has a turnover of about $1 billion a year. Now, we'll apply it to its products so that you can start to collect and capture the business volume for people spending on those products. Launch date we're going to have as the 1st of September. Now, between now and the 1st of September, I'm looking for people to train as directors. Massive expansion is earmarked, and we're going to need directors. With ISAGENIX, you're going to start as a preferred customer. This automatically gives you a 25% discount on retail price. Now you can start with a box of crisps, or you can start with a bigger package, which is 4 boxes of shakes. Now, if you want to be trained as a director, the best way to start is with a bigger package on that. You'll get there faster. We always teach a strategy to give you maximum income in minimum time. Now for ISAGENIX, this would be to go out and get 6 customers immediately, certainly within the first week. So here you are, you go out and get 6 customers. Effectively, you're looking for 6 people that will buy, at a minimum, a box of crisps each. That gives you your 6 customers, and we work on that. Now, in the previous slides, we were talking about getting 3 customers. So the system, if everybody got 3 customers, it would generate 9,000 in 8 weeks, 9,000 customers in 8 weeks. Now, you can imagine then if everybody got 6 customers, that would be phenomenal growth. They won't. The people who are going to be aiming for a director will go and get the 6 customers. Others will get maybe 2 customers or 3 customers or some lesser amount. But it doesn't matter. It all adds to the numbers. The key is aim for 6 and get as many as you can. So if you aim for 6 and you get 2, great. If you aim for 6 and get 1, great. Now when we apply the system to ISAGENIX, we're going to show you how to become a consultant. That's the first step. Now as a consultant, you can earn up to 10,000 a week. We're going to show you how to become a manager, a director, an executive. That can take it up to 20,000 a week. I'm going to show you a neat trick to triple that. And I'm going to show you how to collect bonuses up to 10K. In this initial phase, I'm looking for people that want to move fast, earn fast, and train fast. Now here is a fact. If you have the ability to sell 6 boxes of crisps, you already have the ability to max out on the compensation plan. All you need is a little bit of skill applied to this particular company. Now, if you max out, that could be 20,000 per week. Yes, per week. You might say, what if I don't have the ability? Well, that's where our training comes in. Our training has the solutions. Now, once you lock in your position by becoming a customer, then you have the option. You can move fast or you can move slow. All the skills can be acquired. Now, the beauty about our system, while you're getting the skills, you're collecting on the business volume and your business is growing. How cool is that? You can't do that in standard network marketing. So now you know what to do. You need to start as a preferred customer. You can start with a box of crisps if you want to go slowly, or if you want to race to be a director, start with a bigger package. Either way, I'll help you. I'll show you how to maximize your income. The key is just start. So there you have it. All you have to do is secure your position, become a customer, and of course link into our training.